This first braid is just called a French braid. So what you're going to want to do is wherever you want to place the braid, know that wherever you start it, it's going to look smaller than where it ends at because you're going to be adding more hair in. So when you start it off, you're just going to want to grab one big strand at the front and split it into 3 different pieces. And you're going to take the right strand, pull it over the middle, take the left strand and pull it over the middle again, and that's whenever you're going to start pulling hair into the braid. So with that left strand that you just pulled in, you're going to grab a piece on the left side and pull it into the braid with the strand that you originally had. Then you're going to keep doing the same, so grab the right strand again and then pull it over the middle while grabbing a strand of hair from the right side. And then you're just going to keep repeating that until you run out of hair, and then you just finish off with just a regular little braid, just right over the middle, left over the middle, right over middle, until you're done with all the hair that you have. The second braid is called an inside out or a Dutch braid. So you're going to start off the same way as you would with the regular French braid, with the strand that you're going to split into 3 pieces. But instead of taking the right over the middle, you're going to go under it. So you go under the middle and take the left strand, go under the middle, and then start grabbing hair. So you're going to take that left strand, put it under the middle, and just like you did with the French braid, you're going to grab hair from the left side and put it with the strand that you just pulled under the middle strand. And then again, the right strand under the middle, and then you're going to grab hair joined with that strand and put it under the middle as well. And then continue with the left under the middle, the right under the middle as you're grabbing more hair. And then once you run out of hair, it's just like a regular braid where you're just instead of doing over the middle, you're going to do under. Right under the middle, left under the middle, and so on until you're out of hair. This last braid is, in my opinion, one of the simpler ones. It's just, it's called a twist braid. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off the same, just figure out where you want to place it, and then grab the strand at the beginning, but instead of splitting it into 3, you're just going to split it into 2 strands. And also when you're doing braids on more curly hair, you're going to want to be more gentle, just because when having to split apart the hair, it's just going to be a little bit tougher since the hair is more joined together. So you're going to have your 2 strands, and depending on which way you want to do it, you can either twist it to the left or to the right, are your 2 options. In this particular example, I chose to do it to the right. So you're going to take the left strand over the right, and then the strand that you now have on the left, you're going to pull hair with on the left, take a strand of hair and add it to that, and then take a strand on the right and then join it with that strand that you have holding like on the right side, and then you're just going to twist it again, put the left over the right, and then again add hair to both strands, twist again, left over right, grab more hair, add to each strand separately, left over right, and you're just going to continue doing that. Once you reach the end, the only thing with a twist braid is, here I'm using shorter hair, so once I get to the end, I would have just tied it off closer, like close to the scalp, so that it would stay. If you were doing it on longer hair, typically you would then